Hello and welcome to Mile High Foodtrucks. Today we have a rather interesting project that we are going to ship it out today. This one is going to California and it's a 10-foot long trailer that is going to Orange County, actually no, not Orange County, Contra Costa County, California. This has been built to California's rather stringent regulations. On the back, for example, it doesn't have the typical man door because they require that there needs to be a special exit door in the back, which has been installed, of course. I'll show you on the inside how that works. Up here is the service window, which is a 5-foot service window, self-closing and all the good things. Also, there is a little more to it, which I'll show you on the inside. And you can see there's a coffee trailer, and you can actually see the beautiful Marzocco twin head machine right there, and the grinder for that. That is actually the water inlet for the espresso machine. The espresso machine has a separate tank which can be filled using this. It's actually a single axle trailer, which is unlike many of our other trailers which are usually double axle. That being said, this trailer is also the seamless construction, which we really like, especially because this lasts for a very long time, and it does not, the rivets do not pop like a riveted construction trailers, which tend to be cheaper. Beautiful awning for the service window. Right there is the shore power inlet, just like an RV. The generator door. This van is parked right next to it, so I cannot open it completely, but the generator is housed inside on a slider. That is the water inlet for the other tank, which is 25 gallon in this case, because California require that the freshwater tank be 50% smaller than the grey water tank. It's 15% in most other places. That's the water drain. Now the generator box is right there, housing the 9500 watt generator. Custom code for that is also right next to it. This is sitting on a tray that can be slided up. Let's go inside this beautiful trailer and see its many features. Most important to us is the wiring, which is of course just like every other truck or trailer we build. It is every single piece of equipment has their own breaker. In this case there are 11 of them. Of course all the lights and everything is labeled. Hand wash, soap pump, towel dispenser, hand wash sink. The hand wash sink has the splash guard around it. The 3-compartment sink. 3-compartment sink is slightly different in this case because this one has drain boards as well, which again is California requirement. LED lights on the inside, AC on the inside. Coffee machine, drip coffee machine that is. It also has its own plumbing. There's a little display case for keeping cookies and whatnot. A slushy machine, and 2 underbar refrigerators. They have sort of French doors. We turn the doors around to make them like French doors, like so. Of course, they're all bolted down. Every piece of equipment is bolted down with washers. Doesn't matter what it is, we don't want things to fly around. Oh, talking about that, this is the generator box on the inside. You can see it sort of is a wraparound box, so to speak. Very optimal use of space. Right next to that is a work table, and next to that is the beautiful Marzocco double head espresso machine, and its special tank right next to it. The tank also has a drain. Next to that is a Mazzer Espresso grinder. That is the drain for the espresso machine, which goes under the trailer and to the drain tank inside. Let's open this to see the plumbing system. The 25-gallon water tank that I was talking about, the 40-gallon gray water tank, water pump, water heater, special outlet there. We of course are very proud of our plumbing and electrical wiring. I believe that paying a little extra attention here makes a truck or trailer last for a very, very long time, and very happy customer. This trailer is kind of small, but very mighty. That is the emergency exit door that I was talking about. Very easy to operate. Pull the lever and it's on shocks. You can make a quick egress from here. That concludes the tour of this beautiful 10-foot trailer, 10-foot coffee trailer, built by Mile High Foodtrucks, also Zion Foodtrucks, here in Denver, Colorado. If you need a truck or a trailer for yourself, or if you have any questions, contact us via email or phone, or via our website, www.zionfoodtrucks.com or www.milehighfoodtrucks.com. Thank you and have a good day.